Alright, so we are here at a Sunoco right off of 355 and Plummer Drive, where we are going to be checking out a recently reopened car wash. And while I loop around to said car wash, I kind of debated whether I wanted to go check out the flagship car wash there on Middlebrook Road, but I'm like, nah, there's too many cars in the line, and plus it may not be worth filming because of a broken car wash or something like that. So I decided to come here because, well, the Jeep needs a bath, and I tried washing it a couple times by myself. It really hasn't been working out all that great. So this right here is a Mark VII that opened up not too long ago, and yes, I decided to take on myself against the brushes, and yes, I was able to take off the antenna. It's been a long time since we've seen a soft touch wash with the Jeep, and these are the wash options. Pause the video if you need time to read those, and as I get my card out, we will be going ahead and selecting the Works Wash.
Please add payment for your selection.
I'm gonna try to do a card tap.
Transaction cancelled. Thank you.
Okay then. Looks like the wash went through. For receipt, press 7.
Wash is now ready. Please drive in slowly following the entrance
I don't get a
sign on
receipt.
the car wash.
Whatever, it's a $19 wash. That's Montgomery County for ya. Alright, position myself between the two rails. Rocket panel blaster is going to work. Turn this fan off. Come on. Are we gonna stop? Forgot about the horn somehow. Was gonna honk, but nah, that would probably upset the owner. And they actually have a little website. Now we have our tri-foam. And here comes the top brush. Now these Mark 7s are known for profiling troubles with the top brush, so let's see how the brush profiles with the Jeep. Quite a bit scrubbing the wheels. there's a look at the wheel scrubbers in case if anyone you're wondering. Yeah, these top brushes here, the Mark 7s are known for profiling troubles. As you can see, a little small chunk on the soap was missed from the top brush. Other than that, it's doing a fine job so far. Drive ahead. 60 seconds of dryer time. These are some original Bellinger dryers. I assume the original system was a Vector. Seconds. You saw the rate I was going. There's a big ramp once you leave the car wash bay. Dryers are still going, now they shut off. I'll pull over just in front of that vacuum up ahead, just so we can see how the wash actually did. Well, it looks much better than how I tried to wash on my own. Tried to get that little slack off. I have to scrub it manually depending on whatever cleaning products I have. Didn't realize I didn't turn the wiper blades off. But we'll have a look at the vehicle quick time before I go back in. And there's the ramp I was talking about. Well, looks a lot better than what it did before. Let me know your guys' thoughts about this wash in the comments down below. And that is it.